If there is some aspect of your life that doesn't feel right to you, or if there is some way in which you would like your life to be better, you don't have to make a big sweeping change all at once. When you think about changing things, the idea of all that you would have to cover to make a difference could be overwhelming. And it would be for any sane person. And that thought in turn could cause you to put it off because it is so intimidating. But if you take baby steps, you will get there. And before you know it, you will look back at an amazing achievement. That's what you're capable of doing right now. Take baby steps towards your goals. Take baby steps towards building your new morning routine, your new habit. Start small and build from there. But you must start. If you're looking for accountability, if you're looking for support, if you're looking to work with the best, I'm your girl. My name is Dr. Lumi Lewis, and I am the habit rewiring psychologist in town, and I would love to serve you.